Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. Okay, first things first. What you want to do when you are in Monopoly Go is to press friends. In here, you will see three selections at the bottom of your screen, which are contacts, Facebook, and invites. When you select contacts, it will ask you a permission if you want the application to connect with your contacts. And when you press add contacts, it will show a notification for you to add your own contact number. By continuing, the app will then send you a 6-digit code which you will have to input. And now you can see that you have connected Monopoly Go to your contacts. As for Facebook, you will have to log in your email and your password. And when you have connected it, you can now invite your Facebook friends. So, for the last option, which is invite, this will just basically add your friends manually by copying a link and sending it them yourself. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now play Monopoly Go with friends. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.